The Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra leak is finally here, and if these early reports and insider rumors are even close to accurate, this could become Samsung's most powerful, most refined, and most ambitious flagship smartphone ever created. Every year Samsung pushes boundaries, but the Galaxy S27 Ultra appears to be on an entirely different level. With a massive battery upgrade, next-generation ultra-fast charging, a breakthrough OLED display built on advanced materials, and a revolutionary 200MP camera system enhanced by AI, the Galaxy S27 Ultra is shaping up to dominate the 2027 premium smartphone market, and it's not launching alone. Alongside the standard Galaxy S27, the larger S27 Plus, and the all-new Galaxy S27 Pro, Samsung seems ready to completely redefine what users expect from a flagship device. This isn't just another annual refresh, it feels like a major evolution of the Galaxy lineup. Let's break down everything revealed so far about the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra and why this smartphone could truly change the game for Android flagships, starting with one of the most important upgrades, battery life. According to the latest leaks, the Galaxy S27 Ultra will feature a massive 6,000 mAh battery. This marks a significant increase over previous Ultra models and directly addresses one of the biggest complaints users have had for years: battery endurance. In today's world, smartphones are our cameras, gaming consoles, offices, entertainment hubs, and communication centers. We demand more power than ever before, and Samsung seems ready to deliver with a 6,000 mAh battery. Users can expect extended screen-on time, longer gaming sessions, uninterrupted 4,000 and even 8,000 streaming, and seamless multitasking throughout the day. Whether you're a content creator editing videos, a gamer pushing maximum graphics settings, or a business professional constantly switching between apps, this battery is designed to last all day and possibly well into the next. Combined with improved power efficiency from new display materials and chipset optimization, the Galaxy S27 Ultra could easily become one of the longest-lasting flagship smartphones ever released. Charging technology is also receiving a major upgrade. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is rumored to support 60W wired fast charging and 25W wireless charging, allowing users to recharge their device incredibly quickly. Just a short charging session could provide hours of usage, making battery anxiety a thing of the past, but the real highlight here is the introduction of Qi 2 magnetic wireless charging. Similar in concept to Apple's MagSafe, Qi 2 offers precise magnetic alignment for faster, more efficient wireless charging. This opens the door to an entire ecosystem of magnetic accessories: wallets, stands, car mounts, battery packs, and more. Samsung is clearly building a smarter and more convenient wireless experience, ensuring charging isn't just faster, but also more versatile and user-friendly. This move signals Samsung's intention to compete not only in hardware performance but also in ecosystem integration. Now let's talk about the display, because Samsung continues to lead the industry in screen technology. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is expected to feature a next-generation OLED panel built with advanced M16 materials. This cutting-edge display promises higher peak brightness, improved contrast ratios, superior color accuracy, and enhanced durability. For users, that means deeper blacks, more vibrant colors, sharper details, and exceptional clarity even under direct sunlight. Whether you're watching HDR movies, editing high-resolution photos, playing competitive mobile games, or simply scrolling through social media, the S27 Ultra display is designed to deliver a premium visual experience in every scenario. Additionally, improved power efficiency from the new OLED materials works hand-in-hand with the larger battery to maximize endurance without sacrificing performance under the hood. The Galaxy S27 Ultra is rumored to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 Pro processor, paired with next-generation LPDDR6 RAM. This powerful combination is expected to deliver blazing fast speeds, seamless multitasking, and next-level AI processing capabilities. Apps will launch instantly, heavy workloads will run smoothly, and gaming performance could reach console-like levels, from 8,000 video editing and advanced photo processing to real-time AI enhancements and augmented reality applications. The S27 Ultra is built to handle demanding tasks effortlessly. The improved chipset efficiency also means less heat generation and better battery management, ensuring sustained peak performance over longer periods. For tech enthusiasts, power users, and professionals, this could be one of the most capable Android devices ever made. Now let's move to photography, because this is where the Galaxy S27 Ultra truly stands out. Samsung is once again pushing mobile photography to new heights with a 200MP main sensor that promises extraordinary detail, clarity, and dynamic range. This high-resolution sensor allows users to crop images without losing quality, capture stunning detail in daylight, and achieve impressive low-light performance with advanced pixel binning technology. Supporting the main sensor is a 50MP ultra-wide lens designed for breathtaking landscapes and large group shots. There's also a 50MP telephoto lens featuring advanced optical zoom capabilities. The 5x optical zoom ensures crystal clear long-distance photography without relying heavily on digital enhancement. Whether you're photographing wildlife, sports events, architecture, or distant cityscapes, the results are expected to be sharp, and professional grade. AI enhancements are also likely to play a huge role. Improved night photography, smarter portrait detection, enhanced background blur, real-time HDR adjustments, and cinematic video stabilization could make the Galaxy S27 Ultra one of the most versatile smartphone cameras on the market. For content creators, vloggers, and photography enthusiasts, this device may replace dedicated cameras in many scenarios, but Samsung isn't stopping with just the Ultra. The Galaxy S27 series introduces a brand new model, the Galaxy S27 Pro, designed for users who prefer a more compact smartphone without compromising camera power. The S27 Pro reportedly includes the same 200MP main sensor found in the Ultra. It also features a 3.5x optical zoom optimized specifically for portrait photography. Delivering natural skin tones and beautifully compressed backgrounds, the S27 Pro offers flagship-level photography in a smaller, easier-to-handle form factor. This makes it an ideal option for users who want top-tier performance and camera capabilities. Without the larger size of the Ultra, it fills a unique space in the lineup and shows Samsung's strategy to target different user preferences more precisely. The complete Galaxy S27 lineup now includes 4 models: Galaxy S27, Galaxy S27 Plus, Galaxy S27 Pro, and Galaxy S27 Ultra. This expanded range ensures there is a device tailored for every type of user, from everyday consumers to hardcore tech enthusiasts. The S27 and S27 Plus are expected to offer balanced performance, premium design, and strong value. The S27 Pro focuses on compact power and photography excellence, and the S27 Ultra stands at the top as Samsung's ultimate flagship powerhouse. Storage and memory options further highlight the premium positioning of the Ultra and Pro models. Both are rumored to start with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for high-resolution photos, 8,000 videos, apps, and games. Higher storage variants will likely be available for power users who demand maximum capacity for professional workflows. Beyond hardware, Samsung is reportedly placing a strong emphasis on AI-powered software features. Advanced computational photography, intelligent battery optimization, real-time language translation, enhanced voice assistance, and productivity tools powered by on-device AI could transform how users interact with their smartphones. The Galaxy S27 Ultra may not just be powerful, it may be smarter and more intuitive than ever before. All of these upgrades signal one clear message: Samsung is aiming to set a completely new benchmark in the flagship smartphone category. The Galaxy S27 Ultra combines a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ultra-fast wired and wireless charging, next-generation OLED display technology, elite processing power, and one of the most advanced camera systems ever integrated into a smartphone. If these leaks prove accurate, the Samsung Galaxy S27 Ultra won't just compete with other premium smartphones, it could redefine what a flagship device should look like in 2027 and beyond. The future of Galaxy is coming, and it looks faster, smarter, brighter, and more powerful than ever before.